In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post more than 9 photos on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to open the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account or your personal login details. This step is important because it gets you into your LinkedIn profile where you can start creating your post. Once you're logged in, locate the Start a Post box at the very top of your main LinkedIn feed. This is where the magic happens. It's the space designed for you to share your thoughts, updates, and in this case, photos with your professional network. Next, look for the media icon, which resembles a photo frame. Clicking on this icon will allow you to start the process of uploading your images. Make sure you take your time and select all the photos from your computer that you wish to share. Remember, this is your opportunity to showcase your professional milestones, projects, or any other images that can enhance your profile. After selecting your photos, you will see a preview dialog box. This is a crucial moment for you to review your chosen images. It's important to ensure they are exactly the ones you want to share. A quick check can save you from posting images that aren't relevant or appropriate. Once you've confirmed that everything looks right, go ahead and click the Next button. This will take you to the next step, where you can craft your message around the photos. Now it's time to type a clear caption for your post. This is your opportunity to convey the message behind your photos and provide context to your audience. Along with your caption, consider adding relevant hashtags. This is a great way to increase the reach of your post and engage with a broader audience. Before you finalize your post, take a moment to look over the entire content one last time. Check for any typos or adjustments needed to give your post that professional final polish. Remember, the way you present yourself online can have a powerful impact on your professional image. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, click the Post button to share your collection of photos with your entire LinkedIn network. This is where your hard work pays off, as your professional circle will now be able to see and interact with your post. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to post more than 9 photos on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to subscribe for more tips on navigating your professional online presence. Happy posting!